Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I am doing an unboxing today and answering what seems to be an age-old question here on the channel. And that is, what on earth do you wear in the event where you just cannot wear heels, where it's just completely inappropriate for the situation or just inappropriate for my feet? So I'm giving you all an answer today. So it's no secret I like luxury things, and when I am forced to wear flats and sneakers, that is no exception. So I was very fortunate to be able to acquire 2 different pairs of shoes from Hermès because I absolutely really enjoy that brand, and I am playing the game to get a Birkin because I mean I have 20 pairs of Louboutins, but I don't want a really good top-notch handbag to go with it. Get real. So for the time being, I'm gonna be getting shoes and shoes when the opportunity is available to me from them, and I will go ahead and get into it. So I have the boxes hiding behind me on my bed with one of my cats watching them. I have a pair of sandals. If you have been with me on this channel for years now, or roughly about 2 years ago, I got my first Hermès anything from them. I got the Oran sandals, but those didn't quite work out for me, not necessarily meant for people with narrow feet, but I'm gonna try again till I find something there that works for narrow-feeted people like me. So I went in the store, I saw these, and I thought, okay, these will probably be a pretty darn good flat. Now, don't mind me as I try and get these out one-handed. The dust bags are so nice, probably my favorite out of like the entire luxury industry. Let's see, come on out, it's wanting to be shy, here we go. And let's just set that down so we can eyeball the shoe. This is the Hermès Giulia sandal. It's clearly a slide. It has their sort of signature trademark belt detail on it in palladium, and obviously I got the noir color. That's their way of saying black at Hermès. And this little loopy thing actually works. Let's see if I can get it out. There we go. I wouldn't advise wearing it like that, but I suppose you can. But it's just meant to be a little decorative detail that I happen to like because no one else really has shoes like this. Like, everyone and their mother who shops at Hermès winds up getting the Oran sandal, and obviously I didn't want that, as I stated before, so I got the Giulia, and I'm gonna be giving these a go. Now, me being the completionist that I am, need to show you guys the other one that my cat is safely guarding behind me. You can't see him, but for those playing the game of which cat is on the bed today, it is Tiny Tiger. Now here's the other one. Let's take this tissue out. And same thing, just other foot. And for those watching this wondering about sizing, Hermès runs very small. Very small. So I've never had to size down in any of their shoes ever that I've tried on. I've always had to go up. And these wound up being true to size for myself. I wanted to go down to a 35.5, but nope, 36. And honestly, I could probably get away with wearing a 36.5, which is why I say usually you're gonna want to size up. So for instance, if you have an average size foot and you're eyeballing a pair of Giulia sandals, or you're just wanting to look for stuff to buy to meet the quota, to get your quota bag like a Birkin, then let's say you're a size 36, normally you're true to size, you're probably going to want to go up to a 37 if you got an average foot. You're probably going to feel like you have the fattest feet in the world because they do not do vanity sizing. And you might be a little bit taken aback, like, wow, I really fit that size here, but that's just the way it works over there, unfortunately. Even I was unsure when I first thought about a 35.5 in these, but I tried them on, and a 36 I was. So always go up, but I always recommend, if you have a store near you, which I understand most people don't, try them on and always look at the return policy before you buy. Now, there are going to be situations where a sandal isn't even appropriate, a sneaker is going to be really what I would need. So a sneaker I got, and for those wondering, I got the sneaker bouncing femme, because they do come in men's and women's, unlike the Giulia sandals. So bear with me while I get these out of the box. I believe these are my first ever sneakers I've unboxed on the channel, so that's a little bit exciting. Now let's see if I can tinker with this with one hand. Come on, don't be shy. Yeah, they're being shy. And I got the color in blanc for those wondering. So here is the sneaker in question. Let's get the paper out. Ta-da! Now, that's obviously more so the inner sole, the inner quadrant, I believe that's what they call it, and here is the outer. Now, I really like these because the little H's, so I'm reminded of my brand, even though obviously it doesn't stand for Housewife and Heels, but I kind of like to think that it does, because I guess I'm a big dork like that. But I saw these, really like them. They are leather and suede, which is very nice because I like to have shoes that are going to last and not fall apart on me. Let's see, you can see the toe box is all suede, and then the outers are leather, and then they have this, I want to say canvas, even though I'm probably getting that totally wrong, back here, that little thing, so in case you need to yank your shoe up over your sock, you can. But these I tried on, I fell in love with them, and honestly I cannot wait to give these a go and see how they do. My husband even got a pair in the noir color, and he says they squeak so far, but we'll have to see about them on me. But maybe one day I can actually review a pair of sneakers on the channel. I know people are curious about what I wear when heels aren't an option, so these are what I'm going to be wearing in the event I need a sneaker. Let's go ahead and show you guys the other one as I yank it out from my bed and my cat napping while he's supposed to be babysitting them. And here is the other one. Absolutely love the little H's, and I also really enjoy these because if you don't know what these are, then you're not gonna know. It's not glaringly obvious that these are like $1,000 sneakers. And for those wondering the price of the Giulias, I want to say they are $1,200, $1,300. I'm probably gonna wind up putting the prices down below or something like that. But these are what I got. I am very excited. Oh, before I forget, what are the sizes in these? If you want these size really small, a lot smaller than the Giulia sandals, I had to go up to a 36.5 in these. My true to size tends to be a 36 overall. So you're gonna wanna go up, bigger than you think you need. I did not think I would need a 36.5 in a sneaker, but I did, so go up. Larger than you might think. So if you have a narrow foot, you're gonna wanna go up a half size from your true to size. If you got an average foot, you're probably gonna wanna go up a whole size. And then if you have a wider foot, then you are gonna really wanna go up depending on the width of your foot. But other than that, if you have not subscribed to my Patreon already, I would greatly appreciate it. It's $3 a month. I'm thinking about adding another tier, so be on the lookout for that. If you have not subscribed to my TikTok, I'd really appreciate it if you did. I am trying to hit 10,000 subscribers or followers on there for obvious reasons. And I have my Poshmark closet listed down below where I handle all items going out, going in. So if you want something tangible from me, go ahead and check that out. I would appreciate it if you make a purchase. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the try-on. Bye.